This is the HYCHIKA cordless combo drill. I really loved using this drill. It's a brushless drill, which I find gives me more control of the variable speed, and it's also a bit more quiet than your traditional drill. Because this is a combination drill, you can use it in drill mode, you can use it in driving mode, or you can use it as a hammer drill. It also has variable torque as well, so you can make sure not to strip any screws. A combination drill is really nice because I have been able to use it for just about every project that requires a drill or a driver. The drill is really powerful, but it's still easy to control. So one of the major questions I've had with a combination drill is if this could be used to replace an impact driver. So I did some tests and I used this back and forth with my impact driver, and I found that while it can indeed get the job done, ultimately I found that for projects such as joining wood together, I still prefer an impact driver. The main difference is that if I use this drill with only one hand with the hammer drill mode, it would tend to cam out. Whereas with an impact driver, I'd have a little bit more control of it going in. This is the first hammer drill I've used, and I'd have to say it's really nice to have around. So I have a tree at my house that's being girdled by some large rocks. I've been using this drill to help me drill some holes in the rock to help me break it apart. I think what I might do when it comes to winter is any rock that I need to break apart, I'll just drill holes straight down, put water in it so it can freeze and help break apart the rock. I will say ultimately, if you only want to buy one drill and you have to choose between getting a combination drill like this or an impact driver, I would say go ahead and get this combo drill. It works really well for everything. I do think an impact driver is still better for wood construction. So if you're going to do a lot of wood construction, go ahead and still get an impact driver. But for everything else, this really does a great job. This drill was sent to me by HYCHIKA to do this review, and I must say I haven't really seen anything wrong with it. I really love this drill. It's been great for me doing all the various projects I have around my home.